In this video, I'm showing how to generate and share a customer payment link directly from an invoice in Odoo. We start by creating and confirming a quotation, then validating the customer invoice so it's officially posted. Once the invoice is posted, we use the Actions menu to generate a secure payment link. This link can be copied and shared with the customer by email, chat, or WhatsApp without giving them system access. When the customer opens the link, they see the invoice in the Odoo portal, can download the PDF, and click Pay Now to complete the payment online. This is useful when you want faster collections, manual follow-ups, or a simple way for customers to pay without logging into Odoo. It's ideal for business owners, sales teams, and accounting teams managing accounts receivable. To learn how to set this up properly with the right controls and accounting flow, visit Katylinks for step-by-step Odoo training or work with us directly and we'll help you streamline your invoicing and payments the right way.